Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So I am a little exhausted this morning. Last night was so much fun. Kind of have like a little bit of a hangover. So I slept in this morning and I woke up to find that my video from yesterday wasn't uploaded yet. I've been trying to like upload my videos around like 5 a.m. every morning. I'm trying to keep it that consistent. Well, it still wasn't uploaded and I have no idea why. So I dealt with that this morning. So that's why yesterday's video was a little late. For whatever reason, it was just taking like a long time to load and then it finally uploaded. Sorry about that. Hopefully it won't do it again for this video. Merry Christmas, everyone. December day 4, you know. Yeah. All right, I don't have a voice. And the music was so loud last night at the party. Like I said, it was so much fun. But the music was so loud that you literally had to like scream to talk to the person who was literally like right here next to you. I am currently watching all of the Vlogmas videos from all the content creators and I'm just being very lazy right now. So I think once I'm done watching all of those, we will get started with the rest of the day. Alrighty, so I am going to stop watching videos and stuff right now. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? My cat just went. Are you okay? I don't know what happened. You just toppled over. I'm looking around and I think I will just kind of clean up my apartment a little bit because I'm going to clean up my apartment a little bit. I still have the boxes out for whenever I set up the Christmas tree, shoes, I have stuff over there. So it's not bad, but it's just, you know, it's making me feel a little messy. So I'm going to clean up all this, right? So I'm going to check the mail right now because I have some Christmas presents that are coming in and I just have to see if it came in the mail yet. Ooh, we got some. Yes! It's like I'm going to be doing like a little bit of an unboxing for you guys, but I don't know if I'll be able to like show y'all what I got because the people that I bought this for might be watching this video, so. Gotta try to get a good angle, you know? All right, I think this is a good angle. Alright, so I got a lot of stuff here. I ordered some of these things like on Black Friday. Where are my scissors? Okay. That was supposed to be like a cute snip snip, but they got stuck, so. Alright, I'm trying to remember like what I exactly bought. I can show you on the camera, I will, but sure, I'll show this one because this one my sister knows about. So it's just a little AirPod case. And oh, cute, it comes like with a little clip, but it is super duper cute. This is like kind of low-key sad because I want to like show you what I bought, but I don't want the people who, ooh, yes. Okay. This is gonna be such a sad like unboxing because I know everyone watches it, but I got 2 gifts down for you. Oh. What are think I know what these are. Yes. Ooh, I hope that those are gonna fit her. Maybe I should have got a size down. I don't know. 2, done. Oh, yay, 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 yay. Okay, okay. This is for my littlest sister. Oh, this is actually so cute. I thought this was gonna be bigger, but I got her a little stuffed animal. So she's like very big into Harry Potter and stuff, but she's very big into Hermione Granger. And I wanted to get her a little kitten just like Hermione has. Oh, I thought this was gonna be bigger though. Like, I wanted it to be a big size for her. But, oh well, she doesn't have a little orange cat like Hermione's kitten. So, here we go. Last one. So it's a box. What did I order? I don't think this is mine. Oh, no, it is. It is. I was freaking out for a second. I was just like, did I just open someone else's mail? A little ornament. So my work is doing like a gift ornament exchange. I thought that this was gonna be white, but I guess not. It's crystal, but I mean, that's still like really pretty. It's like a beautiful, let me see if I can kind of hold it. There it goes. It's like a really pretty ornament, and on here it says 2022, and then it comes with, oh, like quite a few little danglies, so you can have the ribbon, white ribbon, blue ribbon, or the crystals, as you can see. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay. So, fun fact, this was actually, I think, a $30 ornament that I got for only $10 because I got it on Black Friday. So, I mean, technically they said to get an ornament that's like $20 to $25. I got a $30 ornament. It was just on sale. That is so cute. Okay, awesome. I actually bought some air freshener stuff from Walmart, and I'm really excited to try this out because my house has been kind of just smelling lately, and I think it's just because of like my cat. Like I don't know if it's just like his cat litter that is smelling so bad, but I really want my house to smell a lot better. So I got this in the scent lavender and vanilla, and if I like the way that this works, then I'll probably order some Christmas scents. But for right now, I just want to see if this will like actually work and make my house smell better. How am I supposed to even do this?
Put it in, unscrew cap from the fragrance bottle, then insert into the warmer. Insert warmer upright into an outlet. Keep fragrance bottle upright at all times.
Okay, got it. Oh, that's so cute. I like how it has like this little top, but like unscrew top. Oof. I don't know if I like that. Oof. Oof. So I'm just editing. Why did I continue to smell it? I'm just cracking up on myself. I'm just like, oof, it doesn't smell good. Oh my goodness. I'm just like, why do I continue to smell? Oh my goodness. I really don't like the way that that smells. Ooh. Well, I opened it already. So now what? Am I supposed to just pop it in there? Oh, okay. Oh. Ew, that just smells so bad. I have like a little outlet right here. I mean, it's lavender. I thought I would like the scent of lavender, but being that it's lavender and vanilla, I think it's the vanilla part. Get your butt away from there. I think it's the vanilla that I don't like. If it makes my house smell not like cat litter, I'll take it, but I think I will definitely be ordering just another scent. Just, I don't know, it smells kind of like medicine, but like a hospital in a way. Pepto-Bismol, like the way that kind of smells, it kind of smells like that. I don't know. I do not recommend this flavor. So the lavender and vanilla, don't get it. I mean, it just, I do not like the way that it smells. I mean, the thing itself is super cute, so I love that. And it's not super expensive. Like, I think these were like maybe $5. So that's not bad. And then I do have another one right here, so I'll probably put this one by my sink. Whew, I think that's giving me a headache. Oh no, I'm so disappointed. I was very happy about it. So I guess I'll just have to order some more. Maybe they have some at the dollar store, because I am planning on going to the dollar store one day this week and
maybe I'll see. So it's the Glade kind. And then if they have like a Christmas scent, I'll get like definitely the Christmas scent. Sorry, this is like a bad angle. I cannot see.
I don't know, guys. I plugged it in, and I mean, it does smell good. Like, it doesn't smell like cat litter anymore, but I'm starting to get a headache, and I don't know if it's because of that. I don't know. Lavender and vanilla do not mix, apparently. Next on the agenda is I want to cut off all of the like tags that I have on all of my Christmas stuff because I'm pretty sure I'm keeping it all. I love the way that it looks, so I'm just going to cut them off. I think it mostly is just the wreaths that I have, but I also have like tags still on here. So let's do that. So I'm trying to decide with this wreath whether I want to hang it back up right here or hang it up on the outside of my door, because right now I have still my fall wreath hanging up on the outside of my door, and it's not fall, it's Christmas, so I really want to have my Christmas wreath up, but I only have 2 of these, and I love the way the one by my tree looks, but I don't want to leave this bare, you know. But I mean, it doesn't look bad like at all, and I will like end up getting something else. So I'm trying to decide if I want to just hang this up for now, and then whenever like I go to the Dollar General or whatever, I will get another one. Nope, you know what? I just answered my own question. I'm gonna hang this one back up right here, and then whenever I do go to the dollar store, which like in 2 days I think is whenever I'm gonna go, I will get a wreath to hang up outside. For now, I'm going to take my fall wreath down and go put this with my fall stuff. My house just looks so much cleaner now. Oh, I love it, buddy. So I just got some chicken right here, some fried chicken that I'm going to just dig in to, and I'll probably just put on like some more TV. That is probably gonna be it for today's video. I hope that y'all are enjoying this Vlogmas series. But yeah, today was kind of just like an OG kind of video where I'm just cleaning my apartment because you guys know I'm like constantly cleaning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like y'all really do mean the world to me. All right, so I'm really not going to do anything for the rest of the day, so I'm going to end this video right here. And yeah, I love each and every one of y'all. I hope that y'all are having a very Merry Christmas, that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch y'all in tomorrow's video. See y'all tomorrow.